आमकां दिसता हे हिंदू मुस्लीम किरिस्तांव आमी सगळ्यांनी तोडपाक जाय, आमी एकवट करपाक जाय. आमकां दिसता मेजरली हे सगळें चल्लां. हे चल्लां कित्या खातीर चल्लां? डिवायड एंड रूल. आमकां कशें तरी डिवायड करपाचें, आमकां कशें तरी तोडपाचें, आमकां कशें तरी फोडपाचें. सेंट एनीस चर्चीन जेन्ना फिस्ट जाता, आमी प्राउडली सांगता फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 years आमी फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंट देवीच्या नांवार करता. हांव तिका देवी म्हणटा. तो म्हजो वे ऑफ प्रोसिडींग. आनी ती म्हाका पावता. आतां ती कितें टर्म दिला की तूं रिलिजन क्रिस्तांव जाल्यार तुका पावता. ना, हांव हिंदू जावनूय म्हाका पावता. आनी तिणें म्हाका वयर काडला. आमचे कडेन पयशे ना, पण तेन्ना हांव सेंट एनीस देवी उलो मारता. ती कशें ना कशें तरी म्हाजो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडटा आनी तो देवीचो पावल आमी घेवन करूंक करता. ते हांव सदांच म्हणटा की जिना है तो गुलाबो जैसे ना जियो जो मुर्दा जाते हैं. आम्ही ते गुलाब आप ते कुसता. जिना है तो उन पत्थरे जैसे जियो जो तरासने के बाद भी खुदा कहलाते. फातर सुद्धा जेन्ना कन्वर्ट जाता तेन्ना तो देव जाता. लहानपणांत जेन्ना आमी ओल्ड गांव वताले आनी बॉक्सां पांय पडटाले, तो देव म्हणून पांय पडटाले. तो किरिस्तांवा देव या मुसलमाना देव म्हणून पांय पडनाशिल्ले. हांव इतलें सांगपाक सोदतां. Whenever there are crises, I promise you, we all will stand united. I'm very happy Rajesh is here today. I'm very happy other leaders are here today. Because today it is not about Congress, MGP or BJP. It is about unity. It is about humanity. It is about friendship. It is about religion. And whenever such things come, I'm very happy. Happy New Year म्हणून चर्ची फुड्यान बॅनर लायलें जायना. बॅनर लायता तितल्या लोकांनी हांगा येवपाक जाय आशिल्लें, दाखोवपाक जाय आशिल्लें. Yes, it is Happy New Year for everyone here. And that's why I congratulate Rajesh, that's why I congratulate Viraj, all who have come together not thinking about politics, not thinking about life. We need to think about life, we need to think about creed, we need to think about Indian and being Indian first. And where we are being Indian, that is where Bharat Mata Ki, Bharat Mata Ki. And I promise you one thing today, कितले पुलीस हाडूनी, कोणे पुलीस हाडूनी, काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. केतन भटेकार फुडें आसतो पयली बोडी खावपाक. आमकां पिवपाची गरज, आमकां पिवपाची गरज, आमकां पिवपाची गरज. आनी एक सांगता, लास्ट गजाल सांगता. जेन्ना रक्त दिता तेन्ना हिंदू मुस्लीम किरिस्तांव पळयना. जेन्ना एटॅक येता आनी दोतोरा कडेन वता तेन्ना तो दोतोर हिंदू मुस्लीम किरिस्तांव आमी विचारना. जेन्ना डेथ सर्टिफिकेट दिता तेन्ना तो हिंदू मुस्लीम आमी किरिस्तांव विचारना. जाल्यार देवाक भाटे नाका. आमी सगळे एक रावतले आनी फोंड्या सदांच रायट जातले. इतलेंच म्हणटा. देवाचो आशिर्वाद घेता, तुमचो सगळ्यांचो आशिर्वाद घेता. आनी गव्हर्नमेंटाक एक सांगपाक सोदता, आमी खंय स्टेजीर बसले म्हणून आमी पातकी जायना. आमच्या मनशांक जर तुम्ही दुखयतले जाल्यार तुमकांय दुखोवपाक आमचे कडेन कापसता. आमचे रक्त तितलेच छत्रपती महाराजाचेच आसा. आणि ताणेच आमकां सांगला की बाबा छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजाचो बूक वाचून पळया. तो म्हणटा फायट अगेन्स्ट इनजस्टीस, फायट अगेन्स्ट ऑल दीस थिंग्स. ताजी जी सोल्जर पैठण आशिल्ली ती मुसलमानांची आशिल्ली. सो महाराजांच्या नावार कोणे राजकारण करचें न्ही आनी सायबाच्या नावारय कोणे राजकारण करचें न्ही. आयज सायबाक पळोवपाक अख्ख्या वर्ल्डाचे लोक येतले. ते घेवन आमी गोंय वयर काडुया आनी ताजेर आमी फुडें सरुया. हे टॉपीक डायवर्ट जावपाक दिवपाक जायना. कारण सायबान आमकां आपोवना. आयज सायबाक आमची गरज ना. आमकां सायबा गरज आमी हांगा आयला. सो वी हॅव टू सी दॅट द नेम ऑफ सायब grows and grows and grows forever. Thank you.
Know what worship is, and does he know what God is? And that is exactly what Custo Dias has said. He does not even know what God is and who God is and the godliness. That further he says that Saint Francis Xavier is the one who brought inquisition on the ancestors and is not a hero. He is trying to change the course of history. He is trying to change our memory of our Saint Francis Xavier of Goinsa Sahib. He is trying to demonize our patron saint. Goa's patron saint, he is trying to demonize. And he is directly saying he is not a hero. When Father Bolmax has spoken about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he said he is a national hero and he got arrested. He only said he is not a god, but he called him a national hero. He got arrested. And this accused is saying that Goinsa Sahib is not a hero and he is demonizing him. When we know the history of 400 years, we know the history. He is trying to rewrite history. He is trying to demonize all of us. That Saint Francis Xavier is the one who was worshipping Portuguese and was licking the boots of Portuguese. Satta munashkuntan mula, the words used. Then how can he be hero? So he is saying that Saint Francis Xavier was, I don't want to repeat, but licking the boots of Portuguese. Was Saint Francis Xavier doing that, or was he doing the work of God? He was doing the work of God. But this is how he wants to rewrite history. He wants to say that he was licking the feet of Portuguese. This is the most disgusting thing I saw in that video. Most disgusting. A direct imputation on our saint. That our hero is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Be it. That we will not allow this Francis Xavier Reshkonmutto. Is there a competition? Is there a competition whose saint and whose king is better? Is there a competition, or do we live in harmony? In Goa, we live in harmony. He's trying to create a divide. These words are telling that he's trying to create a divide. That's why I have added more sections. But we should see whether the police are understanding this. That calling him Goenka Sahib is an insult to Hindus and ancestors. How? Goenka Sahib means we are not saying that he is the boss of Goa and he is this and that. We call him the protector of Goa. We don't get tsunamis in Goa. We don't get earthquakes in Goa. Why? We believe, it is our faith, that it is because of Saint Francis Xavier. That is why it is a name given by everybody. Sovereign Saint Francis Xavier of Mutai, Goenka Sahib. It is not that there is some competition with Lord Parshuram or a competition with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We are not in competition. We respect them. But for us, Goenka Sahib is one and only Saint Francis Xavier. And there is no need to apportion our titles to any other. That now, one more he says, that now we are free and independent Goa and he is not our side. Shivaji, Parshuram are our side. I have just covered that. Shivaji Maharaj and Parshuram Lord are also heroes, and we recognize that. We have learned that in our history. We had one small, एक दाखलो textbook आलो आमका Goan history म्हणून NCERT भुरग्यांक खबर आसतले. We have learned. So we keep that in our hearts. But Goenka Sahib is only and only Saint Francis Xavier, and that they will not change it. More he says, that the body was kept here, body, everybody pay attention, body. That the body was kept here, Mode was kept here to instill Portuguese rule. Now that there is no Portuguese rule, that Mode be taken away, such shall be our appeal to the government. To mota apon government-कडे appeal करतो म्हणून. We are going to put a representation to the government that this, our relics of Saint Francis Xavier should be taken away. He is trying to spend money of the government to deprive us of our right under Article 19 to profess our religion. This is an assault on each one of you and on me. This is why we are going to the police. So bear in mind, this is the major offense. This is the big offense. Now, आम्ही also म्हणलो आहा आमगे कंप्लेनान की pursuant to this, after this public meeting that he took and he made all these insinuations, तेज उपरांत आत लोक भायर सोले हाय. There is a disturbance in the society. काल म्हणून मडगांवान there was little bit of aggression also, and that can happen. काल कोणी मातसो टच केल्यार it can result in a riot. A rioting type of situation is created. Rioting type of situation is created, and we don't want that.
शब्दान सांगले काय ना बाबा ट्रॅफिक घाला हे करा इमिजिएटली पुलीस पावता ताडयो तांकां सगळ्यांक हे निमतान आज जेन्ना आमी घेवन येतले तुमचे कडेन आमचे श्वेलाबाद एडवोकेट श्वेलाबादान जे एप्लिकेशन केला ते एप्लिकेशन तुम्ही ताबडतोब भितर घेवचे आणि FIR आमची फोंडेकार भावांची आणि भयणांची FIR हांगा तुम्ही लॉन्च करची. ही मागणी हांव तुमचे कडेन सगळे कडेन मागता. पुलीस स्टेशनान आज आमचे एप्लिकेशन घेवचे आणि सेपरेट स्पेशल FIR विथ ऑल क्लोजेस एडवोकेट श्वेलाबादान गायला ते तुम्ही रजिस्टर करचे. हे आमचे मागणे. तुवें जरी तर वायट उलोवना तूं गेलो कित्याक पडून. तुवें तरी वायट उलोवना तूं गांव सोडून कित्याक धांवलो. भियेलो मरे क्रिस्तांव लोकांक. क्रिस्तांव लोक सदांच शांत आनी सुखी रावपी लोक. केन्नाच कितें जाल्यार बेगीन भायर सरपी आमी म्हणटा राव पासियेंस काड. केतन भाटेकरान सांगला ती गजाल सारकी. बॅनर लावपी लोक आशिल्ले तितूंतले एकटोय ना हांगा. ते आसा बावडे. ते आसा कित्याक तांकां मोग आसा रिलिजनाचेर. जावं ते हिंदू जावं ते क्रिस्तांव जावं ते मुसलमान. आमी फोंड्या इतलीं वर्सां पयलीं केन्नाय कितेंय जरी तर गोंया पासून जालां जाल्यार फोंड्या आमी केन्नाच जावपाक दिवना. जावं ते इलेक्शनाक जावं ते रिलिजियस मॅटराक जावं ते कसलीय गजालीक कोंकणी मराठी ते टायमार आमची इश्यू आशिल्लो तेन्ना खूब जाण तुमी नाशिल्ले. कोंकणी मराठी वेळार तेन्ना आमी खूब कमी क्रिस्तांव आणि मराठी आणि कोंकणी भयंकर गैर चड चलताले फोंड्या. पूण सगळे आमी हिंदू क्रिस्तांव सगळे एक. केन्नाच आमी दाखोवना की आमचे भितर भेदभाव आसा म्हणून. इट्स लायक प्लेइंग अ गेम. And once the game is over and somebody wins, we go across and say congratulations or better luck next time. So ही जावन आसा परंपरा. हे शब्दांनी सांगता तुमकां की we have to be all united to tell and inform these leaders who we choose at the time when we require y'all. You are not there with us. तुम्ही आमच्या वांगडा रावना.
196 is self-explanatory, sir, that he has uttered words spoken and written, spoken in this case, and representation through electronic communication, because he invited the press also over there and he has spoken directly into the camera. So there is dissemination also on his part. We have not applied IT, but sir is of course free to. Then and feelings of hatred and ill will between communities. Why I say sir between communities? It's not just religious sentiments which are hurt. Those are hurt. That is why 299. But ill will between, because he has brought in Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and he has brought in Lord Parshuram, and he is trying to make them fight with Saint Francis Xavier. I have written exactly what he has said in his speech. Of course, speeches in Konkani I have just translated. And over there he has made this kind of comparison. Comparison should have never been made, sir. Because once that comparison is made, that is where that hatred and ill will comes. That is why 196, sir. 192 is the one writing which I have said that Master Dakka Lagla Zalia. It's a very tense situation, sir. And tense situation may tomorrow be away because everybody will start praying now. The novenas are coming, so tense situation will go. But today there is tense situation, and he has created